Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to restore deleted voice recording on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Voice Recorder. After click on Voice Recorder, click on this three line icon. And if you want to restore deleted voice recording, click on Recycle Bin. After you click on Recycle Bin, you will see deleted voice recording is here. If you want to restore, click on this Edit. After click on Edit, select Recording from here. After select Recording, if you want to restore recording, click on Restore. And you will see your recording is restored. You will see. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can restore deleted voice recording on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.